Okay, now I started recording, everything is okay. So let's see. Okay, let me open this my Skype and someone asked me about the plugins and so I can give you the link to check the plugins. How are you doing, Kim? How are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm listening.
Hi, you're listening. Don't let me to talk alone here. I don't like to be alone.
Okay, then. Hi, everyone.
Yeah, one moment, because they want the link to check the plugins. So basically, we
What is the question?
um,
Exactly.
oh really? Okay. No, they ask what's the offer. Basically, let me give you the link. We'll have like 10 plugins. We already have them for sale right now, but never launch it on JVZoo and things like that. And we want to create a bundle and every month a plugin. So you can include on your membership site, sell them, give away, whatever you want. They are quality plugins because I had these questions, question even on the support desk about quality PLR plugins. So they are quality plugins, and I will give on the chat here. I'll give the link so you guys can check them. We never sold them on JVZoo and things like that. So 20 February, I'll have a product launch with plugin bundles, PLR plugin bundles, and oh, what's going on? And we'll sell the bundle. Of course, we'll have a funnel, but if you want to access right now, I can set up the links and things like that, so you can start to sell them before the product launch. Okay.
Sorry, can I interrupt?
Yes.
There's also some plugins in the Easy Member Pro part. I'm just thinking, I don't think we've put them in Neo.
Ah, yeah.
People want.
Yeah, we have
Pop-up.
pop-up plugin. Yes, and what
Yeah.
else was there? Yeah. We.
Well, there is a forum plugin that we did do, but I think it needs upgrading because apparently now I'm a bit remote here, so bear with me. But I do believe that it's to do with the I don't know, whatever forum technology it is, and needs updating. But to be honest with you, I think most people don't tend to use forums anymore now. Anyway,
Yeah.
but the pop-up is definitely a good one, and you can actually see that
Yes.
in action on the Easy Member Pro site.
Yeah.
I'll give everybody a link to that one.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, we'll include that on for free.
Very good. Okay, we can do that. Not a problem. We actually sell that one, so that's good.
Yeah, I know, but I think will be a great idea to give away for free for our customers right now. Okay.
And obviously, we've already included the WordPress plugin as well, haven't we? Just as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So if people are confused, basically Easy Member Pro is the same as Easy Member Neo, but we started in 2005, right, Kim, with Easy Member Pro. 2007. Oh, yeah, Kim basically is the owner of Easy Member Pro, and then we when we was in London last year.
Yeah. No, year before.
Oh, really? Oh, long time. So yeah, we was a product boot camp in London, and Kim came to me and she said, Marius, can you take care of Easy Member Pro? I say, why not?
That's quite an easy answer.
Yeah, thank you, Kim. So uh, I take care of Easy Member Pro. Then we create a new, uh, we make a new design and everything, and take it to the next level. And we still have to work a lot of Easy Member Neo. People ask for templates. We'll do templates. I'm looking to create a page builder like an Optimize Press. If you guys have, if you know Optimize Press, so I'm looking to do a page builder so you can create nice looking websites. Okay, will take some time. I think a month or two to have the page builder, but templates. I think next month should be done. At least 10 templates so you can choose from. Okay.
Right, can I just interject in there as well, Marius? I just wanted to say, just sort of reiterate to everybody, the EMP members that obviously that don't have Neo yet,
Ah,
will
yeah.
be upgraded as soon as we can. Can you confirm that?
Can you repeat, please? Yes.
EMP owners,
Mm-hmm.
right, that haven't got Neo, we will be upgrading them to Neo. It's obviously it's a question, I believe, of changing the keys, etc., isn't it?
No, they don't have to change the keys and things
Oh,
like
right, it's
that.
not got to do that.
No, 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 no. They will not change the keys. They basically just upgrade. Uh,
Oh, right, okay. That's great. So I'll get Michael to do that then. That's great.
yeah, yeah. We just include Easy Member Neo on the member dashboard, and they just download, upgrade, and that's it. And
So they've
one,
obviously made some changes then. I know at one point they were different keys and he said they wouldn't work, but he's obviously made some changes. That's great, great news.
yeah, yeah. And also, um, we want to create an easy update so you guys don't have to download every time the software and make the upgrade. We'll do like in WordPress. This is a feature that I really want. So it'll be easy for everyone to update when there is a new feature or new bug fix. So you can just click and that's it. Will be updated your new with a new version. Okay. Uh, how much is the upgrade? We will not charge for the upgrade. Okay. Uh, Paul asked me how much is the upgrade. No, we don't. We will not charge for the upgrade.
No, no. Once you're in, all upgrades are included. We did consider it at one point, but we decided it was a bit mean, so it's all included.
Yeah. How the WordPress plugin work? Let me see if I have. I try to do the membership site with WordPress, but I think it's much better without WordPress. But for people who want to use WordPress with Easy Member Neo or with Easy Member Pro, let me check if I have the plugin installed on my site. Um,
There are some obviously some videos to explain how it works in it as well.
yes, we'll have
To
more
be honest,
videos.
I've never used the plugin. I've never needed to use it, so I'm not sure. But I think for those people that like WordPress, I do believe it's something you can attach to your, to the membership script, and you can add posts, etc., that only your members can see.
Okay. You guys, if you want to use WordPress, basically just install the plugin. and then add your Easy Member Pro or Easy Member Neo um, URL, okay, where it is installed. You don't have to display power by link. If you don't want affiliate URL, don't have to care about that. Um, Here you have to add a level, membership levels, uh, okay, and then when you go to page, let me do this, add new page, and here you have the option visible by members only, and then you can select paid, JV access, my levels that I have. If you want to have drip feed when they will be displayed like 4 days after they join the on the membership site. Okay, so it's very easy, and here we have tags. If you want to display tags on, some information about, the member email, member address, city, whatever. Member profile here, show active membership stable, what access they have. So it's very easy to use the plugin. Um, you can protect pages and even posts. Okay, let me see what is. Do you still have? Okay, I don't know how to spell your name. Do you still have to install the script for EasyMember Neo when you use the WordPress plugin to get all the features? You have to install, yes, you have to install EasyMember Neo somewhere on your hosting, and then
Yeah.
just connect the plugin.
Sorry, can I interrupt there, Marius?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think a lot of quite a number of people think or assume that they put the plugin and then attach EasyMember Pro Neo. It's the other way around. It's an attachment to, it's a standalone script, and you attach the WordPress plugin to it, not the other way around. You'd be amazed at how many people have got that a little bit confused.
yeah, I
I
know.
think people just assume, it's WordPress, so that's the main platform, but it isn't. It's just the add-on.
Yeah. Okay, let me see what is. If you don't use Linda, if you don't use Linda asked me, if you don't use WordPress, then what do you suggest? Linda, basically, the software is standalone. You can use it as WordPress. You don't have to use WordPress. You can have all your content on Easy Member Neo.
It's a PHP script, so
Yes,
like Marius said, it's a standalone one.
yeah, it's standalone. Okay. Okay, Ted, about step-by-step PDF, we already have that. Let me see. Do you have the link, Kim? Let me see where it
What?
is.
Sorry for what? Sorry.
Step-by-step instruction.
They're all in the members area.
Oh,
The
really?
Peter Twist, a good friend of mine, is actually going to look them over, and is going to see if any of them need upgrading and do a voiceover for them as well if needed. He's going to go through them all.
Okay,
So
videos.
yeah, yeah. Right, Wikidocs there. Look, and the training videos. Can you just go back up? That's it. Training videos can be found. Training videos can be found there. So if you log into your membership, into the site, Easy Member Neo site, and you can find them on the nav bar at the top.
Okay, I don't know where. No, Mike gave me a link with step-by-step instruction. I don't think we have them here. Let me.
All right, okay. I thought they were in there. I'll sort that out.
Can you give me the link now so I can check? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Send me as a question. Then we have to include also on this page step-by-step instruction. Gordon, yes, I will show how to install Easy Member Neo just in a bit. Let me find the link. Yes.
Right, I'm just in the member Neo, and all the training videos are in there. If you go onto the number at the top,
Yes.
training, you know, you first want to upload an extract, and then if you go down, they're all in there.
Now someone asked me for PDF.
Oh, the PDF.
Yes,
We
yes.
don't have a PDF.
Yeah, but okay.
We don't have a PDF. It was too painful.
No, no, no. No. Yeah, wiki document we have somewhere, but I hate to find the link. Anyway, okay, let's go with. Where is? No, there is no link. Ah, here. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have to edit this page to make like a link, like here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll paste the link here. The document. Okay, guys. Yeah, we have some people that want to see how to install Easy Member Neo. Before that, if you guys are interested in plugins for your site, like to sell them, to give away, let me know. I can set up the link right now. It's 57 per month. We'll have one plugin per month every month, okay? Plus you access all the plugins that we already have. Let me know if you are interested, and I will set up the link right now. We didn't create it yet, the members area and anything, but tomorrow I'll give you the access so you can download your plugins, you can sell them. Okay, we have people interested in that. Let me set up the link, then we go over how to install Easy Member Neo, how to use it, and then we talk about traffic, product creation. Okay, let me go to my JVZoo account so I can set up the link right now. Okay, let me see. I have it somewhere, but I have to set up. Let me see, app box. Okay, app box monthly. Let me see here. Okay, and this will be limited. Will not be. I'll give away only 50 license. So if you cancel your membership, I don't know, uh, I can bring you know, you lose your spot. Let me see where is commission quantity. Okay, only 50. This will not be on the product launch. I'll not give this anymore. So only 50 people. Let me save the product. Okay, let me see. I have it somewhere, but I have to set up. 50 license. Okay, only 50 people. This will not be on the product launch. I'll not give this anymore. So only 50 people. So only 50 people. This will not be on the product launch. I'll not give this anymore. So only 50 people. Save the product. Oh, come on.
I can't see the questions. I could be answering them if I could see them.
Oh, I have to look. I have no idea how to do that. Let me see what's wrong. Hmm. Everything should be okay here, but okay, buy buttons. Okay, guys, here's the link. If you want to access all the products that we have here, you can check the page, look at the plugins. Uh, those plugins you get tomorrow. I give to everyone access, so you can download all the plugins. Then every month we include one more plugin. So every month one new plugin. You can even send us requests like what kind of plugins do you want, so you can sell them on your membership sites or on your product launches and things like that. Okay, so only 50 license I'll give away. This you don't when the product launch, when will be the product launch, you don't have to buy anything. You already have access, so you don't have to buy the whole funnel. Okay, let's go. Let's go with Easy Member Neo installation. Again, let me guys give you the link so you can check the plugins. Okay, let me check what kind of domains I have on my name chip so we can start with fresh installation. Robert, yes, you can get the plugins. Um, Uh, After you buy tomorrow, I'll set up the account for everyone. You can download the plugins, you can use them. You have permission to sell them on JVZoo or wherever you want. Uh, because I had so many people asking for quality plugins to sell, and because I have this launch on 20 February, um, I was thinking to give you guys an option to get right now. Okay, let's try this 321 how.com so we can install Easy Member Neo.
Marius,
Yes.
Marius, are you getting plenty of questions there? Because somebody's just messaged me just to say that they're in listen only mode and they can't send a message. Are you getting plenty of you're getting plenty of text questions?
Yeah, but,
Sorry, folks, that's my dog in the background.
I have no idea how to do. Let me see. Okay, Kim, can you see now the questions? Hello. Can you see now the questions?
Have a look. No.
No? Strange. Stuff. Kim. Okay. Maybe now.
Still there?
Okay. So now can you see the questions?
Okay. No, but it doesn't matter. We can sort it. Don't worry. Are you seeing any questions at all?
Yes.
Oh, that's good then. You just read the questions out, and then we can answer them. That's fine.
There are a lot of them. Okay, Paul, if you want to ask for refund, please open a sport ticket and we'll refund you. Okay. Okay, let's start with easy member Neo installation, so we can go forward.
Ah, I can see questions.
Awesome. I don't know the cPanel information for my domain, so I have to look for another one. Let's see, backup press.
System, but we're always having issues with image gallery. Right, listen, what I thought, right, was while you're doing it, Maris, if anybody's got any PLR questions at the moment, actual content for the membership, the content for their site. If you would ask me any questions about that, I used to be involved in massive amount of PLR at some point, and quite happy to answer any questions on that if anybody wants to ask any. Who has got any problems about getting content for their site? Does anybody have problems?
Okay, guys. This is my domain name, digital. digitalfollow.com, and I'll install Easy Member Neo on this domain name. So basically, you have to access your cPanel. Okay. By the way, let me go back to Easy Member Neo. For those of you guys who have developer access, you have to go account details, manage developer sites, and sorry, this is my admin account. Let me try. Okay, developer, this one. So I go account details, manage developer site. So maybe you have Ah, come on. Let me find someone else, developer. Okay, so you go to account details, manage developer sites, and if you have clients that you want to install the membership site, basically add new client here. You add customer name, customer email, and here you have to approve the domain. Let's say mysite.com, and then the site IP address. Uh, let me go to check one tool here so I can give you. We use an online tool for finding the IP address. I will show you right now. I don't remember the name, so I have to check to find it.
Right, okay. Hi Tracy, I've got your message. I'm really sorry about this. Okay, Tracy Stevens asked me. She's on the web. She's saying she's on the webinar right now.
Okay.
She's asking me where the best place to get up-to-date new PLR is. I presume everybody knows what PLR is. It's basically private label rights and it's content that you can buy and use as your own. Okay, so I'm a big believer in PLR, and I'm sure if you're on my email list, you'll probably know that I'm always sort of saying, you know, it's a great thing to use. And at the moment, right, what I'm saying to everybody, especially if you're fairly new, is don't be sort of put off about the content, having no content for your site. And basically, what I would suggest you do is get your membership site up there and look for some good PLR. Now you can find, right, can I just say at this point, it's got to be very, very good quality. Because if you put up any type of site and you put content that's not very, very good quality, then it's gonna die from, basically. There's a lot of places out there. I've just been promoting one myself from Dan Sumner and Dave Nicholson. People like that. There's Eddie Law. He's pretty good at putting out. And you know what? You can get some really good PLR at rock bottom prices because they make the majority of the money on their the back end, the funnel. So you can get some really, really good stuff. If you belong to the Newbie Network, right, www.newbie-network.com, which is free to get in, that is a site that I have populated purely with good quality PLR. So if you want to have a look around that, and you'll see what I mean. There's lots of places out there. I'm happy, you know, if anybody wants a nudge in the right direction, if you want to contact me at all, and I can probably send you in the right direction for some really good quality PLR. Okay? Does that answer your question, Tracy?
Awesome.
Yeah, it does. Thank you. Right, okay. If anybody else has got a question or anything like that on that, just to say, at the minute, I think we're having problems with the GoToWebinar thing. So just message me on Facebook, Kim Sandsline, and I'll try and answer it for you. Okay, sorry to interrupt you.
No problem.
I thought while you were doing that, I thought I could answer that question.
No problem.
Okay.
We was here finding the IP address for the website. So we have this tool in Into DNS. So let me paste here on the chat. So you can find your client's IP address when you add the developer, when you manage the developer sites. So you go here, write the domain name, and check report, And now we go here and see here www record. This is the IP address for my site. Okay, so you just basically copy and the same for your clients. Check the IP and then add the IP here. Okay, maybe you charge your clients monthly. I don't know how you want to do this, but when they don't pay a monthly fee, you can cancel their subscription to use the software. So this is the developer account. Okay, now let's go with the installation. Sorry for that. So basically it's very easy, but so many people are confused. We need to create a database, upload the software, create a user for database, and then we are ready to go. So I'll go here, I'll open a text, let me see, text chat, text. So I can save the password and everything. Okay, we go here first. Let's go to File Manager. Okay, and the best way to do this is to create a new folder for the member Easy Member Neo. So I click here, create new folder, and let's name this member EMP. Okay, we go to that folder, and now let me download the plugin, the software. Go here, download the software. Okay, I'm still downloading. Okay, and now after you download the software on your computer, basically go to the folder where you want to install Easy Member Neo, and then click Upload. Then choose the file. So I have here Easy Member Neo. I select the file, and now it's uploading. Sorry guys if this is boring webinar, but it's not about. It's more about Easy Member Neo and how to install, how to use, and then if you have more questions, I can bring you live on the call. For sure, this will be like 2-3 hours. Every time when I do an interactive webinar, it takes a lot of time. Okay, the upload is complete. I'll close this window, and now I'll reload so I can refresh the page. And I have Easy Member Neo here, the archive, and then we have to extract Easy Member Neo. Okay, now refresh again. I'll remove this folder. Okay, now we go to Easy Member Neo folder here. Okay, and I'll select all files and then move file. So we move the files on Easy Member Neo here. Okay, up one level. So now we have the files here. If I go to my domain name, let me close this. Ah, god damn it, I have to get the license key. Admin user. Okay. And now let's go to my domain name. Member Neo. So, member EMP. This is the folder. So I have to go to this folder. Okay. Now let's click next, next, and the license key. Get the license key from here. Paste this license, verify license. Ah, come on. Okay, so I have the license key, everything's all right. Now we have to create a database, database user and database password. So we go back to the CPAD. Oh? Ah, okay. Ah, yes, I remember that. Okay, so to create a database, go here, MySQL database, and let's say Neo. So this is the database. I'll save this on my text document so I can remember. I can find it later. And now we have to create a user, MySQL user. So let's say EMP user password. I'll generate a new password and use this password, create user. So now I'll save on my text document the password and the user. Okay. So after we create the database and the user, we have to assign the user to database. So we have here digital user and database Neo, right? So we add this user to this database. And now we have to click here, all privileges, and make changes. And that's it. Now we are done with this. We go to EasyMember Neo install and basically asking me for database name, database user, and database password. Okay, and now we have website name, let's say digital owner's name, Marius, support address, okay, and continue to the next step. Admin email, this is for to access the admin area. So at marius.com, admin password, and continue to the next step. Okay, finish installation. And after install, you have to delete the install directory or rename it. So you go to the file manager here on cPanel, and they.
A lot of people forget to delete that one. That's when they have problems.
Yeah, you have to delete, or what I do, I will rename it. I will select the folder and let me find where it's rename, and I'll do like this, backup. Okay, and I rename the folder So now everything is alright. Maybe you need in the future, so I don't know. And now admin login, and we are ready to go. It's not that hard, but people are afraid to, to work with databases and things like that. Okay, so let me log in here. What's wrong? That's strange. Maybe I have to verify the. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. So this is the installation. I will go here on EMN Webinar where we already have installed. I had to check with the developer what's going on, why it didn't show up. So after you install the software, you have to go here, quick start checklist, and set up everything. You have one by one. Let me see. What is? Will be okay. I'm looking at questions. Will be the recording webinar? Yes, I already recorded the webinar, so I will send an email to everyone where they can access the webinar. Yeah, so once you install the software, it's pretty easy. You go here step by step, quick start checklist, and then you can go here content and pages to create your content. So basically, you have the front end, page. Let me go here. This is the front end, okay, and then you have members pages, okay. So you create a page and for your front end site, and then for members. And here, when you create a page, let's say testing menu bar, the name, how to display here, and then your content here. And here you can who have the access to access rights for this page, who can view this page, developer, reseller, or whatever levels do you have. Okay, members level are here. You can add new level, like test, and it's here. So when you go to pages and create a new page, you can no video, something is wrong here. Pages, members pages, add new page. So here we go. I have.
You have to remember when you're working, obviously, with the membership script, you're either working on the pages for the outside or the members area. And I think, again, sometimes people get confused about that.
Yeah, so that's why it didn't show up this axis, right? So here we have test level. Yeah. Well, okay, let's get some questions about can you have a free level? Yes, you can have, Tony. You can have free level.
There as many levels as you want.
Yes, you can have free level and access levels and trial level, whatever you want.
I mean, obviously, if you want to start a site with a free membership, and then obviously have paid inside the site, that's where the the access rights on top come into play. Because obviously then you can do both within the same membership site. You've got a free level and you've got your paid level, and then once you capture your hopeful members into free, you can then entice them on to the paid.
Yeah, and then you can have drip feed if you want from this side. One thing that people don't know is on the template, we have managed templates, and we'll have more templates to choose from in about 1 month. We'll have like 10 templates. But we have template editor, and you can edit a responsive option. Sorry, so you can edit the layout for the front end and for the member area. So for the front end, if you want, let's say the container to, let me here. So the container, let's say 3, and save. And if I refresh the home page, see the container is smaller. Okay, so I add 8 here, and then you have graphic options. You can upload your background if you want. My container background image, bottom logo footer. Yeah. And then you have menus, the button size here. Okay. Where you want to align the menu, left or right, and then colors. So here you have, it's very simple. You can click here and choose a color and make your page. Yeah, okay, body color, let's say like this. Okay, let's save. Yeah, this is the color. I like white. Yeah, it looks clean, white. Refresh. And so this is basic color, top navigation menu, background. Let's try red. Let's save this. See here, and then we have top navigation text, top navigation container background. See, so you can play around and create a really nice looking front page, and then this is for, let me change back to white. Save this. And then for members area, if you want differently from your front end, you can go here, members area, and change the layout, graphics, menu, and same thing. And yeah. And for the next templates, we'll have the same settings, so you can play around. Okay, let me get some questions. It's EM responsive, mobile friendly. Yes, Jonathan, it's mobile friendly, it's responsive. Uh, Karen, uh, you can play around with a responsive option and change. Um, you can change all the background to be one color if you want. So you just have to play around here.
That's the best thing I think for people to do, you know, is actually play with it and get to know the software. That is, and you'll find, you know what, you'll find you soon whizzing through it. Actually, you'll find it's really easy once you get. It's just looking at something new, but but it is actually quite simple to use once you get the hang of it.
Yeah, yeah, they have to play around. It's not hard, but once you understand the software, it's very easy to use.
Yeah, it is.
But the first time, like any software out there, you have to learn a
Get
bit.
used to it.
Yeah. On the email section, we like to use SMTP. So you go here and select Perl and use SMTP for email delivery. I don't like to use the server sending because most of the time go to the spam. So I use Amazon SES, but you can use, let's say, um, SMTP, SMTP, smtp.com, or you can use mandrill.com. Oh, sorry. So here we go, Mandrill. Mandrill is cheaper for sending emails, like welcome emails and things like that. So let's say you send 1,000 emails. So you pay only $9.95 per month. But there are like Crescent, which is, I think, is free for, let me see, pricing. Uh, they had a free plan somewhere.
See, I didn't know about this.
Yeah, I used it long time ago. But now I use Amazon SES because it's cheaper. So we have Crescent, Amazon SES. Basically, go to AWS Amazon. If you don't have an account, you create an account here at awamazon.com and then AW Manage Console, and you have SES option here. So you can, I think with $1 you send 10,000 emails with Amazon SES. Let's see, pricing option. Amazon SES pricing. Yeah, it's 10 cents per 1,000 emails. So 10,000 emails will cost you $1.
Well, that's something interesting to know.
Yeah, it's pretty cheap. I use for support desk and for welcome emails. Okay. Yeah. Jace. will this training be added to the member area? Yes, I'll add on the member area the webinar recording.
I think that's really quite useful addition actually to the training area.
Yeah. Terry asked me about Mandrill, how to set up. Let me go to my account. I think on settings, and I have to create an API key. It's pretty simple, just add a description and create API key. Okay, I have many APIs here, but basically just copy this host SMTP. Let me go back to Easy Member Neo. Okay, here, email settings. So you add SMTP host from, where is Mandrill? Here. Okay, so you copy this, then port, it's here, and any valid API key. So you copy the API key and add it on here. Your username is basically your account, Mandrill account, and then the password is the API key from here. Terry, okay. Roberto, how to upload a template. We don't have these options yet, but let me add on my on my to-do list. Upload template. Okay. Okay, let me go over the questions here and let's see. David, yes, we'll have professional styling teams in about 1 month. Can there be professional styling teams to, to aid implementation? Yes, we'll have that. We just finished it with the product launch, so now we get back to work.
Can I just say that Easy Member Pro, as it was obviously, has been updated regularly.
Yes.
Well, I got it back 4 years ago, and it's been updated on a very regular basis, as will Neo as well.
Yeah.
It's essentially the same product. So whatever gets upgraded in Neo will also be upgraded in as well.
Yeah. Ernest have a questions. I want to deliver digital products via download. The customer is possible to download these to protect, so they can people that are not authorized to download. You can add the content. You go to files, and you upload your file. Then you have the embed code. So you basically just copy the embed code for that file, and on the content page, if you go to pages, let's say member, and let's say this one, home. If I want to add that file, I just paste the code here, and the file will be protected. Okay. Let's see what's next. Raymond asked me what's the difference between the two To what? Easy Member Neo or Easy Member Pro? This is your question. What is?
Neo is the upgrade, basically, isn't it, to Easy Member Pro. But can I just add as well, because I know some people were sort of like commenting about this on the Facebook group, Easy Member Pro is still a very, very valid, script. We are actually still selling that itself at the moment, aren't we, Marius? It's a good script. It's very valid. It wasn't the main reason why we wanted to change it specifically was because it wasn't mobile responsive, but obviously the Neo is.
Yeah.
So does that answer your question? And like I say, I'll start this, Marius. I'll get Mike to upload. If you don't need a new license key for it, I'll get Mike to upload the Neo to EMP anyway, the information. He hasn't already done it.
Yeah, it's already there, but
Yeah,
yeah, but we have to. We made some updates, and we have to add the new update there. Uh, s-
like 95 minutes we were downloading guys. Yeah, I know. Like with any law, with anything, you can be protected through that, whatever. There's still sometimes there could be bugs in there. Microsoft can't get it completely right all the time. With what's actually doing. But there are a couple of minor bugs in there. I will agree. But as people are sort of, stop telling us about them, then we are getting on top of them, aren't we, Marius? So,
yeah.
like you said, there's a couple of upgrades already, I believe.
Okay, I have one question, but let me see where it is. It's about the upgrade. Um, Okay, Roberto asked me, when you update Easy Member Neo, do I have to download and install over again? You don't have to install over again, but you have to download the new update and basically just upload the new files. But this is just for now. What I'm looking for is to create easy update system. For example, when you go to settings, or I have to see where I will do this one click update.
So yeah, you're just going to update it just as just a click.
Yes. So yeah.
Sorry, Marius, can I just interrupt? Can I just say to everybody, before you actually overwrite your original site EMP with Neo, just upload it to another one first. Just have a look at it, because you might decide that you like what you've got. So just I would upload it to to a spare domain or a subdomain to start off with, and just check it out and play with it before you start putting it on any of your live sites. Obviously, it's up to you if you want to do that, but that's what I would do personally. Just have a look, make sure I get the balance correct, because there are a lot of differences, there are a lot of changes to Easy Member Pro.
Yeah, and the problem is not just the software. The problem can be also on your hosting. So
Right, yeah.
uh, some people have problems with their.
Always make a backup. If you do overwrite, your existing membership site, make sure you obviously have a backup of your previous.
Yeah, the same thing happens with WordPress.
Yeah.
If you update your WordPress, I know it's very easy in WordPress to update plugins and the software, but you guys can end with a lot of problems because your settings, the plugins, and things like that. The hosting can be a problem with the new update. So the same thing happen with every software. Before you update, yeah, make a backup.
Yeah. Also, as well, can I just ask you? Just reminds me. Is any obviously I can't see the questions again, but is anybody hosting with GoDaddy? Because if you are, I really do recommend that. I mean, obviously, if you're happy, fair enough. But if you're hosting with GoDaddy, you will find that they're very, very restrictive with not just ours, any script whatsoever. Their security settings. It's very difficult to install on GoDaddy. So what I would suggest, if you do, is maybe look for another host.
Yeah, you can you got.
There's some good ones out cheap.
Yeah, there is HostGator which works fine. Some people have problem with, some don't. Um, I personally used HostGator a couple of years ago, and it was okay.
I've seen on HostGator they've gone down a bit.
hmm there is
They got bought out, I think, and they slipped a little bit.
there is new service from JVZoo. Let me check the link. Uh, let me go to.
But of course, as well, we also have a hosting service. I'm not trying to plug it, that's why I haven't really said. But if anybody is interested in some hosting, we do have our own hosting company. So if you let me know, I'll put you in contact with it.
Yeah, we have to work on that hosting too. I already
Really?
talked it with Mike. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see what else we have here. Raymond, will the WordPress plugin work with EMP? Yes, the plugin work with both EMP and
It was originally developed for EMP.
yeah.
So yes, it will.
Okay, let's see what else we have. eHost. Mohammed asked me if eHost it's good. I have no idea. I never
Oh, that's good, right? Okay, cool.
I never tested, so I have no idea. Uh, okay, Simon says I use Bluehost and it was easy to install. Awesome.
Oh, that's fine. Super. I was thinking actually, as I was talking Bluehost, I've heard good things about Bluehost.
Uh, any comment about one and one hosting? I don't know.
No, I've heard it's not brilliant, one on one. It's a UK one, isn't it? One on one, am I right?
I have no idea. I heard about it,
Yeah,
but I never use it.
yeah. Um, I I seem to think it's another one that's not. I've forgotten about. I seem to think it's not. It's one that's not as good. It's on a Power GoDaddy, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I seem to think so. It's one of the
Okay.
restricted ones. So I think they use a lot of web builders, don't they? If I remember rightly, rather than just basic cPanels and stuff. I might be wrong.
I have no idea.
It's what I'm dredging from the resetters.
Okay. We have 30. Do we have to install to a directory name member? No, Terry, you can install on any folder. Doesn't matter.
Cool. Yeah. As well, are we still on to run a cron job for the emails and stuff? You know, Marius. I just thought about that.
Uh, Manage cron jobs. Okay. Yeah, let's go to this. Um,
I wonder. Sometimes we get some queries on the desk and stuff, and I think often it's because folks haven't set up a cron job. Does everybody know what a cron job is?
yeah, 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 of course.
Well, I know you do.
Yeah,
I was
okay.
going to ask. I was
Ah,
going to ask if you would explain what a
yes,
cron
yes.
job was.
Cron job. Let me see how can I explain. A cron job, it's like let me try to explain simple like that. It's like someone clicking at every minute on let's say this a website or something like that. So someone clicking every time at every minute or 5 minutes or 45 minutes or whatever uh, that particular website. Um, so we have here this this file that have to be executed at every minute or whatever. Okay, so when you click The cron job. Oh, Kim, how to explain?
I know, I'm just looking it up actually. I'm just thinking it might be as well, just to give everybody is a link. Right, I'll pass this on to you, yeah? The other medium one is
Yeah, it's not something. Um, let me see. But basically, how to install, how to set up the cron job? It's just click here, set up the instruction, and basically just have to copy this, and then go cpanel, go back to cpanel home, and we have to look for cron job. Yeah, here we go. So we have cron job. We click here, and you paste that link here, and then you have to set up this every minute, every hour, every day, every month, every weekday, and that's it. Add cron job. So basically just
it tells you what cron job is on the top left anyway, doesn't it?
yeah,
See.
yes, yes, okay, yeah, awesome.
And I think you also need to set this up to send your emails, don't you?
This is only if there is an error or something like that. If you want to receive notification about the cron job, you just set up an email here. Okay, let me see. What else? Can you show how to add a folder that a site already, like image gallery? Kim, can you? I have questions from Tony. Can you show how to add a folder that a site already has, like an image gallery?
Repeat that. Can I show what?
Can you show how to add a folder? Maybe you can check Tony Q question.
I can't see the questions.
Really?
No, I can't see this one again. So I think it's the
Okay, I'll give you on Facebook. Can check.
no idea. You're a techno. See, listen, I'm one that has the ideas and have to ask other people to implement them. Mike's actually more like, look, if you can join in the call.
Yeah. Okay. Let me.
No,
Yeah. Let me check. Tony Q. Okay, Tony, can you talk with us live on call? Okay, I'll unmute Tony and let's see. No mic, no mic. He don't have mic. Okay. 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 What other questions do you have, guys? Tony, sorry. If you can email me. Let me give you. Just added the mic. Okay, I'll unmute you. Hold on. Let me find you here. Yes, now I can hear you.
And the only thing we're trying to do is capture their emails before they see the event pictures. So I wanted to use your software for these 3 restaurants to do that. Very simple. It's going to be free. But I already have the gallery set up in folders. So I'm not sure how to set that up in the system.
Hmm.
Is that possible, Marius?
I don't know. I have to ask Mike about this.
Um,
I can send you the link to the website if you want to see how it works. It's a Zen photo gallery for a restaurant. Now I can redo everything, but I would prefer not to if possible.
Zin photo.
Yeah, I'll send you the link. I'll
Okay.
send it to the chat.
Okay. Okay. Awesome.
By the way, I've already set up your application on that domain. I did that last night.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can I just interrupt? Johnny's just Johnny Van Hayden, bless him. He's just said yes, it's possible. He needs to upload the files through the back end. Does that make sense? Is that right, Johnny?
Go to the photo gallery.
Mike
Okay.
said he's never done a webinar in his life, but I'm sure he'll manage.
Okay. I'm here at photo gallery.
And that's a separate application in its own directory. And I like to add just that part of the site to your system so that a person has to register before they see the photos.
Is it possible to put Johnny? Is this okay? Put Johnny Van Hayden on Mike. Can you find him? And Johnny, is that okay?
Okay. Let me find Johnny.
Johnny Van Hayden. Mike don't want to come online. He's been at work. Yeah. Johnny's saying that's fine.
Okay. So Johnny want to get on call, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
okay.
Okay. I'm unmute him right now. Hello, Johnny. Hello.
Are you there, John?
Yeah, can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Yep.
Good. Yeah, if you go in the back office of your, I'm just bringing it up here quickly because you're throwing me in the deep end, but that's okay. I'm just logging into my system, right? And I'll just walk through it. I like to walk and talk it through at the same time, but
Okay, if you want, I can make a presenter so you can show.
yeah, no, I'm not ready for that yet.
Okay. Okay.
I know what I'm doing here on mine, but I can do the presentation, but I'm not ready for it. So, and I don't like not being ready. It just doesn't look good.
Okay.
What you do is you can go into, okay, actually, yeah, make me presenter now because I've got a fair idea of what I'm doing here.
Okay.
I don't know if I can screen share.
Yeah, you can. Hold on. I'll make you presenter so you can share the screen.
Yeah, I'm using two.
Okay, I made you presenter.
As long as you can't see me on camera, I'm still in my jammies. And I don't wear pajamas when I go to bed. So.
Oh,
Yeah. Can you see the screen at all?
Yes.
yeah, we can.
Right. Is it double screened on you or single?
Single.
Single. Okay, good. So you can see the content. Now in the content area.
Hold on. We don't see any website yet.
Okay, let me put.
Okay, yeah.
All right, you got the EMP. This is the EMN Pro only control panel, right? Not the Neo one. But if you're using the Pro, I'd say it'd be similar. But if you go into Files, and I'll click that, is that going through all right for you guys? I just need some input. All right. Where I put the files is in here. You know, I can lock them. All right. If I lock them in members only file, it means they have to be a member or registered to go into that file. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right. So what you do is you can, I'll try and work this through. I can unlock it or I can lock it by clicking the padlock, as we all know. But the files, the local files, is what you can put into here by uploading them. So you upload, add remote files, sync FTP. Of course, we know all about that, and it's confusing as hell. But what I've done is I've put files in there, and I allow them. I'm trying to get rid of. Hang on, I'll get rid of this so I can see my screen. And that happens when you go into member levels. All right, if I click on member levels, and don't mind this, it's still a bit of a mess, but I'm getting there. But you can actually set different levels, like as we all know, the silver, the gold, the bronze, stuff like that. I use it for my business when we do like activate as club members. Okay, and they go to a certain level. So, like you're saying with your restaurants, you can, when they pay for it, they become a paid member, and being a paid member, they get access to that, or people can actually see what you're giving. Right? So, whoever you're doing this for, whatever it's for, I hope that explains it. Like I said, I've been chucked in the deep end here. And
yeah, I know I can do files, but I need to do an entire directory. The entire gallery is what I'm trying to set.
the whole gallery.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
They go to the website, right? Then,
Yeah.
for example, if they have a wedding at the restaurant, we take pictures, we throw them into the gallery. Then if they want to see those pictures, what the owner wants to do is the families and friends to go to that gallery to capture their email so that then they can send them coupons and specials and stuff like that. It's all going to be free. This is for their clients. I tried doing it with WordPress, but we kept having problems with logging in and things of that nature. As you know, WordPress isn't great for that. So I wanted to use your application to kind of simulate that same thing. So they could just come, give us their email, and then they can get to see the wedding pictures and things of that nature.
Yes, it can be done. But what will happen is you'll probably need somebody to enter the email address, or they can enter their email address. But what they're basically doing, all right, is they have to have the password, and they're the only ones that have to if you want to show them there and then, all right? But
Right, I want them to go to the site and register in your system, capture their info, and then send them to that gallery. I guess that's the best way to describe it.
Right, I know. I think I know what he's asking. Yeah, absolutely. So basically then, let me get this right. So basically then, Tony, what you need is somebody to right. Yeah, let me think.
I don't want to take up too much time of yours.
No, that's fine because you've got. Well, I can see where you're coming from. I'm trying to think out how you can do it. Because what you need basically is you need like a bit of a squeeze page, really, don't you, on the membership side? Yeah, on the front page. Is that what you're asking for?
It'll grab the email and then send them to that gallery.
But the gallery itself is protected inside the members area.
It would be protected by your system. Right now, I have it locked down, but I want to open up the images in the gallery, but I don't want anybody to get to it without going through your system.
Right. Well, okay. The only thing I can think of, right, is if they join up, tell me if I'm wrong here, Johnny. Right, if they were to join, right, and then obviously as a member, you've already captured their email and everything as they've joined up. Am I right? Yeah. So
yes,
you've already captured it there. But I mean, obviously, there is a way of doing it. Sort of like I'm not sure if it's still part of it onto way with you. You could have like a sign up box inside there as well. I don't know, but that's the best way I can think of at the minute is to obviously invite them as a membership, and then you've actually got them inside membership, the membership area for them to be able to see that gallery, and you've got all their details there then, and obviously email inside. Does that make sense?
That's actually, this may be something you might want to consider as an additional revenue stream for you. The there are hundreds of restaurants in New York City that have asked me for a system like that. And I've been
Right.
trying to
Okay.
cobble one together. I've been trying to cobble one together using WordPress, but like I said, their membership, excuse the French, just sucks.
Yeah.
But there was
Yeah.
some way of creating that, because a lot of restaurants, what they do is they bring the families in, they have weddings, things of that nature. Then they open it up to people that they would love to capture their email and then tell them,
Yeah.
look at the wedding pictures, download them. So basically what I'm saying is something you might want to consider thinking
Right.
about. You make a lot of money with something like that.
Yeah. I'm sure there's another way. Johnny, are you still online? I'm sure there's
Yeah.
another way of doing it. That's the only one I can think of. I've never been asked that question before.
There is. I'll give you an example. Where
Yeah,
I'm
go
at
on.
now, I'm in the back end of Easy Member Pro Control Panel, which is what we all have, right? And
Yeah.
and in my case, and I think this will really help you out. What I've done is you've got the front page or the front site, which is the main, right? Now that's locked out, but it is able to show whatever you want to show. So let's say for the wedding example, Joe's wedding. So you can quickly put up Joe's wedding on the front page, and you can have one or two pictures on there. If they want to see more pictures, then they have to become a member, and the person that's there taking the photos probably needs, it'll take probably an hour for somebody to teach a person to do this, but they'd have to have the ability to upload those files, and that's where it gets messy that way if you want to do it instantly. Yeah?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's something to chew on, isn't it? Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
I've been in this web business for like 15 years. I've hacked all kinds of things. I'm going to figure out a way of doing it with your application. I just figured I would ask. I wasn't expecting you to take this much time. I don't want to, I know you had a plan on your webinar. I figured I would just ask that quickly. But it is something that is in great demand, especially here in the United States for
Well,
restaurants.
it's in the United States. It's obviously here in the UK probably as well, isn't it?
I get about 10 calls a week, people telling me, hook up my gallery, how can I get the emails? And I've been trying to cobble just different things together. And when I saw your application, I said, finally, something that might be able to do it the way we need it done.
Right. Okay. I wonder if Mike would be able to do some modifications. It might be worth asking at Mike, our developer, if if he could work some sort of modification in there for you.
Hey, excuse me, please. Mike is here on the webinar. He just joined. Not sure if he's able to speak. Mike.
Well, I don't think I think he's got people there, so I don't think he can.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
but if he can answer a couple of questions, will be great. If not, we'll add on the to-do list and we'll see.
Yeah, I'll submit a ticket later on. I really appreciate everybody's input. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the question. It's good, yeah.
Don't worry. That's why I said it's an interactive webinar. It's not just it, it's not a webinar to pitch people.
Yeah. Johnny, stay online. We might need you.
I just
All right.
moved my mic.
Is there any more questions?
Yeah, we have one moment so I can show my screen. Okay. I have no idea. You guys can see my whole screen or just screen sharing. Let me see.
Yeah, I've got enough.
Okay.
Whose screen is this? Is this yours, Marius?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Let me see what else we have here. Questions.
I got one last question. Can you resend the link to the specials for the plugins you mentioned earlier? You said you only had like 50 slots open. I'd like to get that.
Yes. One moment, please. Okay, let me. here are the plugins. Where's the chat? Yeah, basically I will have a product launch 20 February with those plugins. Of course, will be a funnel and things like that. But before that, I want to test with everyone, and you don't have to buy the whole funnel. So
Is that a monthly fee or a one-time fee?
yeah, it's monthly fee because we add a new plugin every month. But uh, um, those that are here, I'll set up account for everyone tomorrow. So you can download the plugin, you can start to sell them, you can modify them, whatever you want to do. Of course, we keep the support. Okay, so everyone can let's say let's go to this one. You can read more about the plugin. You can watch the video, and you're asking for the payment link, right?
Oh yeah, if you could throw it in the chat, I'll copy it.
Yeah, let me go to my Jigsaw account. Okay.
Yeah, there it is. Can you see that, Tony?
Yeah, but can you put it in the chat so we can just grab it off of there? Is that possible?
Can you not copy and paste it? It's in the chat.
It's in the chat.
Oh, there it is. Okay, I got it now. Let me go there and save it.
Or let me do something like this. Add new link here. And let's do
Okay, I got it. Actually, I'm just gonna do it right now and get it over with. Let's see, PayPal. Yes. If this works. Oops. Hello.
Right, has anybody else got any more questions?
Okay, so now the link is pretty easy. digitalfollow.com/upbox. So you can get the plugins. As I said, tomorrow I'll set up the accounts for everyone. And if you cancel the subscription, of course I'll bring someone else on the so we can fill the slots.
I just ordered it. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I will email you tomorrow with everything so you can download the plugins.
No rush. That's just a great price.
Yeah, because people asking me about PLR plugins, and because I have this launch, I said why not to give you guys earlier access.
It might be an idea actually. If people have some ideas about plugins, what the type.
Yes.
Let us know, and obviously we can see what we can do.
Yes, of course, I'll have a form where people can ask for plugins, and yeah, and basically you can do whatever you want with them. You can sell them, you can give away, you can change them. It's up to you what you want to do. And if you want to modify the plugins, you can hire a developer, or maybe I can talk with my developers. To help you with that, Hold on, my mom is calling me. Sorry, one moment, please. Încă mai sunt în ăsta live, nu pot să vorbesc. Da? Hai. Da, pa.
Again, if anybody's got any questions, as I say, I can't see them, but just want to
Okay.
Facebook me,
But it's interesting how you cannot see the messages. I have no idea.
No, I know. We'll sort it out for next time.
The whole problem with GoToMeeting. Yeah. Okay, let me look for questions. How to add pages to the menu? Harrison asked me how to add pages to the menu. We go to pages here, and basically this main here means the front end, and members, member means the back end, you know, for members. So if I create a page here, let's say testing, menu bar, testing, active page, and test. Save the page. And now we have testing. It's on the main page, the home page, and on the top. You can add this bottom if you want. Okay, let me go to home page. So easy member new members. So we have testing here. See, Harrison. Okay, I'll remove the page. Okay, what's next? Let's see. Can you go over how to assign member to additional member content? Let's say a free member, then get paid membership, then inside have upsell service or content. Kim,
Yeah.
I'll write you on Facebook to read this question.
Yeah. Hang on. Can you show how to edit? Right. Okay. Can you go over to assign members? Yeah, that's one. Can you go over to how to assign members to additional member content? Let's say a free member then gets paid membership, then inside have upsell services or content. Right, okay, let me just go in. Right, just bear with me. Right, basically then, you've got your ad members, yeah? Is this what we're talking about?
What?
Right, are you asking me to go through this?
If you can.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Do you have the admin logins for, right?
Right, don't put me on screen.
Okay. Okay.
Right, so basically
Let me see
right?
if I can give you the mouse so you can go through here. Okay, yes, I can give you the mouse. Okay.
Right, so what we're doing? I can't log in anywhere. Right, so basically you want to go into your ad members, yeah? This is just to add a member. This is what I've been doing on Neo for different people. Oh, hang on, Michael's saying that. Hang on. Max just said, I believe the question is how to upsell the members. Right. Okay. Right, Mike, can you talk? And then I think you might be easier to answer this one. Michael Price, can you unmute Mike's mic? Mike, I can't even speak now. Can you unmute Mike's mic?
Okay, I'll unmute Mike.
Yeah.
One moment.
Yeah, Michael Price. Yeah. If you take it through that, Mike, it might be easy because obviously you know it inside out.
Okay. Unmuted. Hello, Mike.
Hello.
Hey, Mike. Thanks ever so much for coming on. I know you've been at work.
Is there any way for me to control the screen or no?
Do you want to get the screen or get the mouse control?
Just mouse.
Can I just
Okay.
say to everybody, this is Mike Price, who's our genius developer. Okay.
Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I have to give the screen because I don't see the option to give you the mouse. Let me see. Let me see. Michael Price. Make presenter. Okay. Okay, Mike, you have the screen.
Okay. Let's see what we got here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, this is what the new backend looks like. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So, if you want to upsell your members, let's say we can go in. What you would do first, you go into your payment plans. You can give them a direct link to the payment plan. I don't have any here, but you would just click this link here. And let's say if they were free members and you wanted to upsell them to a paid plan, you know, under your paid membership, you would just grab that link and then you'd put it somewhere within the members area of the site, possibly even on their homepage. And then, you know, obviously, of course, you could attach it to a button or something like that. But we can just use a link for now. And then anytime they would click on that, it would take them straight to the payment processor that they would need. It would process their payment, and the system would automatically add them to the new paid membership.
Well,
Nice.
that's really easy.
Mm-hmm.
Does that answer the question? Thanks ever so much, Mike. I know we put you on the spot.
Michael, when do you think we can have done the easy one-click update?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Easy one-click update like on WordPress.
You know, it's on about, you know, we was talking about it the other night, Mike, you know, about just the easy installer, you know, just put the updates.
So
the auto update feature.
Yeah.
That's what you're asking about. Yeah, I'm getting started on that shortly, and not quite sure how long it'll take or how in depth it's going to be, but it should be out soon.
Awesome, because I was thinking if we because we do a lot of upgrades and we add more features, you know, I don't want our customers to download every time the software and upload. So one-click update will be awesome. This is what I'm looking for.
Yeah, we've had that in mind for years and just got the green light on it a couple days ago. So
Awesome.
We used to talk about it a lot, didn't we?
Yeah. Can I ask Mike a question?
Yeah.
You certainly can.
Regarding that image gallery that we discussed earlier, any direction I should take on that of protecting the image gallery? Since you've code, you might be able to give me some hints.
What do you mean by protected? What are you trying to do?
I don't know if Mike was online at the time,
Okay,
Tony.
I'll ask it real quick. I already have 3 sites with image galleries for restaurants that do a lot of weddings, catering, things of that nature. We take pictures, we drop them in there. The owners want to capture their email addresses and then send them to those galleries for free.
So what you're saying is you want to be able to send, like, let's say a wedding attendee a link where they can sign up, and then you'll capture their email, and then they get to view all the pictures.
Right, because the family members would be the ones whose email addresses we don't have.
Right.
Those are whose addresses we want to capture. So I wanted to do that with your system because I've been using WordPress for years, and it's just not working out. The log in, log out, people forget their passwords, a pain in the butt. So I wanted to figure out a way of using your system to protect those galleries that are already made on these websites. And that's it. I don't want to charge or anything like that, but I do want to capture the email addresses.
But then they would still be required to have a username and password, though.
Yeah. They would be able to get in there without it.
Right. Yeah, okay, that wouldn't be a problem then. That would just be like a simple image gallery plugin that could be created and then like put on a home page, and it'd be like fancy JavaScript where you pop up.
But I already have the galleries made, so what you're saying is I could contract you guys to make me a custom plugin?
Correct.
Okay, that's something I guess I'll email you guys later on. I don't want to take up more of the time on this issue.
Yeah, Michael, it's able to do the plugin. You can discuss with him about custom modification if you want. Mike, you still around?
Are you able to answer that one?
Sure.
Yeah.
Let me show you on the screen too. I've already got a list, not a list, but like an opt-in page from Aweber right here. And once you got that in Aweber, pretty sure everybody probably knows how to do that one. You go down here over to the autoresponder settings, emails, autoresponders. Now in this feed here, that's a name that is just so you can understand. So put like something like Marius's Aweber. Post URL. This is something that usually got from right here, beginning where it says one method post. And the action right there, it's just that. Copy it. Paste that in right there. The name in the email field. You have to search through your form. Usually a little easier, but I know Aweber's is actually called name.
Can we make, Mike, can we make full integration with Aweber and other autoresponder services by API or something like that? So they don't have to do this?
Yeah, that's a feature that could always be added.
Okay.
So the name field is name, and the email field for Aweber is email. So that just goes in just like that, name, email. And then you just have to copy all the hidden fields right there.
Yeah, we for sure we have to do full integration with because even me, I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, this is a feature that's been in the script since the beginning. It's never really received any type of updates or anything.
Right, yeah, we've never really promoted this side of it, have we? But we have used it, haven't we, Mike?
Oh, we've used it for several years.
Yeah, right. Can you just explain to everybody how it actually works? Right, as such. Is that okay?
Well, sure. That's the one thing that probably confuses everything.
Yeah, I think it does.
Confused me at first. I remember talking to Anthony about it. Told him I didn't even really like it. I didn't think it was considered a feature. But
I think you wanted to take it out at one point, didn't you, if I remember rightly?
Right, because the integration never actually happens until the user logs in. When they sign up for your site, nothing ever gets sent to AWeber or to whoever your autoresponder is until they actually log in for the first time on the site.
Okay.
That's why some people test it and they say, oh, well, I'm not getting emails because all they did was sign up and they never actually logged in as a member.
Right. Okay, so what you're saying then is if somebody has an Aweber account, right, and they do all this, then what happens is that as soon as somebody, one of their members, logs in, their email is captured within Aweber. Is that right?
That's correct.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, so that is, I think that's quite a nifty feature actually.
Yeah, I
The
will.
only problem is it's not you know, sort of double opt-in or anything, is it? That's you know, people are a bit keen on double opt-ins and stuff.
I'm not sure what you mean.
Well, you know, for instance, you know, if you sign up for somebody's mailing list, I might be wrong here, but tell me if I am. But if you email if you sign up for somebody's email list, and then you get a confirmation form, don't you? That's double opt-in. But you don't get a confirm form with this, do you?
It all depends on how you have your AWeber account set up.
Right. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. I'll be honest. I don't tend to use this. I always put an opt-in form actually on the homepage. So it's something I might start using myself actually. Cool.
I have questions here from Stefan Anders. It's possible to manage members and or permission via API call or own PHP procedure.
Can you repeat that?
Yeah, it's possible to manage members and or permissions via API call or own PHP procedure.
You talking about like some type of external where some other website can communicate with EasyMember Neo?
I don't know. I'll paste the. Let me find you. Where is my.
I don't know the answer to that one.
As of right now, we really don't have any type of current external integration. The only thing that really communicates with other software right now would be the WordPress plugin.
Okay, I send you other question on the chat.
Right. Any more questions there, Maris?
So we can use the WordPress plugin. Karen asked me, so we can use the WordPress plugins like normal. Not sure what you mean, Karen.
The
What?
only way to manage members or permissions at this point is through the EasyMember Neo admin area.
Okay, Raymond asked me, the plugin work with EMP? Yes, the plugin work with EMP and EasyMember Pro, EasyMember Neo is the same thing. Yeah, WordPress, Raymond, let me see. Karen. Karen, I don't know what you mean. Let me see. Mike. Karen, first, you're talking about EasyMember Neo plugin, WordPress plugin, or my plugin bundles?
Why don't you get her to unmute her mic and she can ask us then, can't she?
Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Okay, Karen, can I bring you on the call? Karen. Karen, it's okay to bring you on the call?
I bet she hasn't. I bet she's not got a mic there. And she's absolutely like, oh my god.
Okay, Karen asked me if okay, Karen don't have mic. Okay, Karen.
Sorry about that, mate.
No problem. She asked me about the plugins that I have. Let me see. Let me change the screen. One moment, Karen, so I can change the screen.
Mike, is that your family?
Friends.
Okay, Karen. Let me see. Where's the? Okay, Karen. No, the plugin that I'm talking about, um, they are bundle plugins that I will launch on 20 February, and I give access right now to people who are on the call. It's 57 per month, um, and you can resell them. You can give away. They are quality plugins, so you can
That
see
would
here.
be quite. Sorry, I'm interrupting, but I'm just
Yeah,
thinking that would be quite useful for those people that have got a developer's license.
yeah. So,
Okay, we got any more? Have we got any more questions, Marius?
no, I don't think so. Let me see.
Oh, right. Okay.
Uh,
What I
one.
suggest is if anybody else has got any more questions, bring them up on the obviously not technical ones. If you've got any technical problems or anything, can you contact the support desk? It's a lot easier than But otherwise, if you've got any questions or anything or ideas for plugins, just put them up on the Facebook page. That'd be cool.
Okay, Phil, I asked 4 questions. Plus one comment. No one has been answered. Okay, right here I'm here. So let me. Can you ask again what was your question so we can go.
Why don't you just unmute his mic and let him ask it and then maybe it'll be a lot quicker.
Yeah, Phil, I can bring you on the call if you want. So you can ask your questions. So we had so many questions, so maybe I just missed yours.
Missed it, yeah.
Okay, let's unmute Phil. Let's see. Hello, Phil. Okay, Michael, I already muted you because it's so much noise there.
Yeah.
But it's okay if you have. Okay, Phil don't have microphone. Let's see. Okay, Nelson have a question. Let's see. Okay, Phil, when you have the microphone set up, let me know.
Is there another one we can answer while he's setting up?
Okay, Nelson. I don't know what you mean. Do you use SMS or something? Webinar Gem. I'm not familiar with Webinar Gem, so I don't know how to answer this question. Okay. We have Harrison.
Oh, go on.
We have Harrison. It under payment plans. It asks to remove what levels. Not sure what it means.
Has anybody got any questions for Mike while we've got him online? By the way, if anybody wants any custom work done, he's pretty good at doing custom work. If anybody's interested in asking him, I know he's quite busy. I'm sorry if I'm speaking for you, Mike, but I know he does do some custom work for people if it's needed.
Yes, I will send.
Can I give an email address to contact me regarding the gallery plugin thing?
Yes, I will send a newsletter and I will give Mike email address so you can contact him about custom work if you guys want some custom plugins and things like that. And
Yeah. I mean, obviously any work Mike does is between you guys. Obviously it's transactions between yourselves.
yeah,
That's nothing to do with us. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
yeah, you're welcome.
Actually, I can tell you here, he's just thinking me. It's actually it's Michael Price.
Yeah, I will paste on the chat, but I will send also a newsletter.
Yeah, you're going to do that, Marish. Yeah, he's just flagged it up. That was all. Yeah, Michael Price at gmail.com. As I said, he's basically done the work on this, so he knows it inside out. And I know for a fact he does do some. Oh, right, okay.
That'll save me a lot of time trying to figure it out, since he knows the app. Like he said, it's probably a quick thing to do for somebody who actually knows the ins and outs of that application.
And can I just interrupt again? He's just frantically saying, no, it's Michael D. Price. I missed the D. I do apologise, Mike. Sorry about that.
What's up, D?
Yeah, Mike is going, no, Michael D. Price.
Yeah, I paste already on the chat. And if you guys have features requests, let me go to my drive. So you can request okay. I'll post here on the chat if you have features request. Oh, come on.
Oh, that's a bit posh. I've not seen that before.
So if you have features requests, let me know. We'll work on that. We'll make updates. And the first thing what I want to see is the easy update system and templates.
I'm just thinking, Marius, we could maybe make this a monthly thing or even a bi-monthly event, sort of having a bit of a webinar. I think maybe organise ourselves a little bit better next time. I don't think we expected so many people and stuff. Maybe just get questions in advance, that we can answer as well. Would everybody sort of like want to do that? We maybe make it just a little bit more interactive as well. I think it's quite a good idea actually to have people on the mic, so they can sort of ask the questions themselves as well. What do you think?
One of the best webinars I've ever been on.
Oh, really? Thank you.
I thought we died a bit sometimes.
But you know what? The biggest thing is that you're doing it on a Sunday. You know, I work 9 to 5, so
Yeah.
on a Sunday is great because you know I can take care of my laundry, do what I have to do, and then also listen to you guys. So that's
Right.
why really good buzz.
Right. The thing is, we only, I mean, we only decided, you know, after looking at the Facebook page, well, it's just a couple of days ago, so it's been nothing's been prepared, as you could probably obviously tell. No, you know, we were just sort of going to wing it, well, which we have done, winged it really. So I just thought we'd maybe dive just a tad a couple of times, but you know, obviously, if as I say, I'll speak with Marius. Obviously, you know, we'll decide what to do. He might decide he hasn't got time. Maybe try and do a bi monthly one or a bi-monthly one, and get everybody's questions in, you know, to start off with, what they want to ask, and you know, all sorts of different things, and we can go from there if you want.
I'm in. Count me in.
Yeah. Oh, cool. That's cool.
So,
And then, you know, basically just help people, you know, because we, at the end of the day, we want people, you know, to you know, to do well with their sites. You know, I love a success story, and I'm sure Marius does as well, and Mike does. Absolutely love it. So, oh, that's nice. Thank you. Somebody just said I agree with the best webinar covenant. Oh, that's nice. Because I thought we'd died. Yeah. So all right. And so Marius, are we going to arrange something like that?
yes, of course. Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it'd be good. As I said, we want to see everybody do well, don't we, and make the most out of it. And you know, because I know sometimes people just sort of like shove it to one side, you know, and because they think, oh, I can't be bothered, I can't do it. You know, it's not easy enough. When actual fact it is really, really easy. And I want to see people out there, you know, sort of like populating it. And also as well, for some of you, I've just remembered this. I was telling you about a competition I'm going to be holding. Um, Mike's going to be uploading it all for me. He wasn't able to do it last night because he was tired, bless him. But I've changed my mind. Well, basically, what I'm going to do is just give away one of my age domain names with the oh, bless him, he's just said he's working on it now. Yeah, so I'm going to give Easy Member Neo site away for fully functional. It's in the weight loss niche, I've decided, and it's also got a product to go with it. So I'll be doing that within the next couple of days. So look out for that, and we'll probably do something similar once a month, something like that. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
awesome.
if you've got the Easy Member Pro page, the Easy Member Facebook page, then there'll be some more details on there.
Yeah, let me paste the link. Let me go to Facebook and so I can copy and paste on the chat the Easy Member Neo group.
Oh, you're joking? That I've just approved quite a few, so that's good. People are wanting to join, which is really, really nice.
Yeah. Yes. You know.
Yeah, let's make the group interactive as well, you know, and if we all, as I said, the only thing I'd ask, right, is, you know, if there's any problems with the script or anything, rather than putting it in the group, you know, you're better off putting that on the support desk and stuff, where, you know, they can log in and sort you all out. But anything else, you know, if we all help each other out on the group, I mean, there's been some fantastic interaction. We'd let it slide a little bit from previously when it was just the EMP one. But since it's Neo's joined as well, I think it's been really good. I'm really chuffed with everybody. Thank you. So, yeah.
Yeah, I have a couple of questions. Let me see how to add videos from Raymond. Okay, videos from S3. Let me.
I use Vimeo.
Yeah, but me, I use also S3. I use also S3, and let me go to. Okay, Kim, if it's too late for you, it's okay. I can keep going here.
No, that's fine. I'm all right for for a bit. What do you mean it's too late? It's only 8:20. I'm not quite as old as you, but you know.
Okay. Okay, let me go to member. Yeah, member home. Or let me create a new page. Much better. Let's see. Video. Video page. And we just updated this page. Let me go to my S3 account, Raymond. AWS. Okay, let me check for this one. And insert video URL. Let's see if this works.
Now, do you know what? I didn't know how to do that because I always get someone to do it for me. That is interesting.
And let's save this page. Video.
Oh, you have to. You're gonna have to say however who can. Yeah, everybody.
Yeah.
Look, just click them all. Yeah. Mike, we ought to maybe have a box there. You know, where we can just sort of like say tick all or something like that as well.
Okay, and now let's remember Neo. Okay, video page. Let me see if this works. Yeah, so there you go.
Hey, welcome to EMN Webinar.
Yeah, this works. Where is the page? Let me go back to the content page and video members here and video page, edit the page, and we can center this. Let's see where is the format. Okay. Okay, I think we have to change the editor.
Oh God.
No, it was an option to center the content, but I can't find it here.
Yeah, it's a new editor. It's a mobile responsive editor apparently. So, but I think we're gonna have to relook at it. That's a new one. Mike's just put that in. Actually, I won't mind everybody's opinion on that editor. Tell me what they think.
Yeah, the idea is to center the content.
Yeah. I think he's finding it difficult, to find one that's mobile responsive apparently.
Yeah, so to answer the Raymond question, it's easy to add. Just get your S3 video link and then go insert video.
Right, there's nothing. Are you meant to be on your desktop because there's nothing showing?
What? Oh, really? Oh, come on.
Is anybody else having problems? That's who's got the mic on?
Yeah, same thing, nothing up here except
Okay, okay. So I was talking and okay,
Yeah.
okay. So
So he's been doing all that work for nothing.
Mhm. Anyway, it will be in the recording. So again, Raymond, you go copy your link from S3, and then you go to, let me remove this. You go here, insert video, and source, paste here the source for video, and
Right, well,
that's it.
it's not showing, but I think what we'll have to do is do a video on that. I think that would be a useful video to do on
Yeah.
how to insert videos from Vimeo and where are you doing it from?
Yeah, then you can resize the video.
Amazon, aren't you? Yeah, yeah. Right, 'cause it's not showing.
Yeah, so after we save, then here you go.
Oh, Mike's saying it has to be done from videos.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, just put him back on. Unmute Mike and just put him
Okay,
back on.
okay. Let me see, where is Mike? Okay, Mike.
Mike, I thought you said a naughty word called then.
Alright,
There you
I'm
go.
here. You're trying to insert a video into a page?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's not
Amazon?
showing up, is it?
Yeah, Amazon.
Where do you show my screen? Okay, everybody can see the screen?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. So if we go over here, content, videos, and there you would click add a remote video, and there you would put your Amazon URL. And once you would enter something like that in there, click submit.
Is that it? Is that all you do?
Well, we got to get the short code for it. Let's go back to videos. Video 1, 2, 3, and then you would just grab the embed code and put it inside of a page. And then once, you won't be able to actually see it in the editor, but once the page renders, it will display the video inside of a flash player. So if you just replicate that, that should take care of it.
That's a lot easier.
Yeah, but how to change the size of the video and how to center the video.
You can change the size of the video using using some tags. If we go over here to documentation, content, videos. And then you see on the bottom, you can set your height equals 300, width equals 400. All that just goes inside of that video tag that you use, like here, video 2, height equals 200, something like that.
Okay, and how to center the video on this page?
What do you mean, how to do what with it?
How to center the video tag on the.
It won't sit in the middle of the page.
Well, if you would center, you might be able to use the editor for centering, or you could
Yeah, I was looking for that on this new editor, but I can't
That
see
was
it.
one of the things that I was saying, Mike. That you know, that's not on that particular editor. You know, centering. It was on the original one, but it's not now. Ah, is it there? No.
Ah, okay. Oh, okay.
I do beg your parsnips. It certainly is. No, it's different. It's just getting used to it. I apologise for all the moaning that I did. It's obviously user error.
You get a lot of that.
Mike told me that every time he changes the editor, I fuss at him. So that's sweet. And nag.
Okay, nice, nice. So it's easy to add a video. Yeah.
That's easy.
Okay, let me change back to.
So Mike, while you're on, are you still on microphone? Yeah.
I am.
Yeah. So just for everybody to know that might be interested in, sort of like changes, would you be interested in doing some work for people?
Oh, of
If
course.
you ask. Yeah. Okay, that's
Absolutely.
cool. So we've given. So I've got the your email address right now. It's Michael D. Price at gmail.com. How many times have I ever emailed him? I got it wrong. I can't believe it. Yeah.
And the nice thing about it too is that it's very, very similar to the way WordPress plugins work. So chances are most WordPress developers would probably be able to work with our system and develop plugins as well.
Okay, Mike, I have one question here. Rick asked me, can you show how to add fav icons to our sites? Fav icon, you know what I mean?
Favicons.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just as easy as uploading a file, a favicon file to the root of your website.
Okay.
Like in 3.2 here, I think. You might actually even have one installed.
So basically, you just have to upload on your home
Yeah, any valid favicon file should you can just upload it. Like that one is it's in admin images, so actually if you replace that, it'll replace the one that's in the admin area, and then you could stick one in members as well. And
so basically, when they use cPen or something like that on the file manager, on the public homepage, just upload fav icon, right?
let me double check that real quick. And you have to put a link in your template file as well. Should look just like that.
Okay, okay. Then maybe we'll need the features for that to add fav icon. Yeah.
Technically, we could always just dump that link into our current template file, and then from there they could just replace the image that's already there with something else. That would make it easier. This way they don't have to mess with the actual code or anything.
Okay, we'll talk about that. Yeah, so right now it's pretty hard to do that. I mean, for end user, not for me. I understand I can do that.
It's not going to be easy though. For somebody like me, for instance, or a lot of the people on the call.
I mean, I actually just made the change, so it'll be in the next release. All they'll have to do is upload a file called favicon.ico into the images folder.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
We could maybe do it. That's another thought for a video.
Okay.
Can I ask you a quick question?
Yeah.
Is there a way of adding custom JavaScript? For example, if I have an application that does video pop-ups and things of that nature, can I just drop a iframe or JavaScript or something in there somewhere?
You should be able to.
Okay.
If it's on a per page basis, you should be able to put it into the editor. If it's something that's going to be on every page, actually it can be done through the templates.
Right, and drop it in the index.php file, right?
No, you don't even have to do that. You can do it from the admin interface on my screen here. You just go to the template options and custom code.
Oh,
There you go. Anything into the editor. Oh, yeah.
right, great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I got some questions about get response API integration. Yes, I already added on my to-do list. So we'll have API integration also with get response, Aweber, and other autoresponder services. And let me see. Uh, okay, Michelle, thank you too. Okay, Tracy, it's ready to start making some money with membership sites. I get some questions about upgrades, if they have to pay for the upgrades. For those of you that bought the product, no, you don't have to pay for the upgrades. New people that buy the product, they have to pay for that. During the product launch, you don't have to pay for upgrades. Okay.
All right, can I say something real quick?
Yes.
Okay, also, the videos where we showed earlier, how you go into the videos, add the S3 URL and all of that, that can also be done from the editing page on here on the right sidebar where it says video settings. You can choose to use a video that you have already uploaded and have tags for, or you can add new, and you would just do it the same way. Local, or from URL, you'd enter your S3 URL here. Click add video, and it'll give you the code right there.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I don't know exactly inside out Easy Member Neo, but because I just started to work on it 2 years ago, and we updated, we had some features, but I started to use it, and it's very easy. But I still have to learn more about it, Okay, let's see. Is there someone that can set up a complete site up? Let me see, 1 minute, so I can share the screen. Wolfgang, yes, you can get in touch with Mike if you want, and he can you can discuss with him about that. Again, let me check for Mike email. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, okay, Mike, I have one question for you from Roberto. Uh, Let me give you that on Facebook so you can read. Can you check Mike on Facebook?
Out of my room.
Did you go to? Okay. Okay, Mike. Let me see what else. I think, yeah, we still have a lot of questions. Um, please, guys, let me give me couple of days so I can answer. You guys can write me to mariusdigitalfollow.com, and uh, I'll get back to you as soon as possible, so I can answer to all your questions. And uh, let's see. Kim, you still around?
I mean, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just looking for something for somebody. It's actually a coupon.
Okay,
Your pardon. Sorry, I was miles away.
no problem. Okay, Mike.
Mike, can you? Sorry, interrupting. Mike, can you remember what that coupon was for the hosting?
I think Mike is not longer. Okay.
Oh,
Done.
okay.
I just muted it for the background. Coupon for hosting through what?
For the, for our hosting, you'll be able to, have we still got a coupon for it? I was looking in the Easy Member Pro site and I can't find it. I thought it was in there.
Let me see. Just log in real quick so I can pull it.
I'm multitasking. I'm not very good at it at my age.
Easy Member Pro. That's the coupon name is Easy Member Pro. That gives you 10% for life.
Oh, okay. Did you get that, Gavin? Easy Member Pro. I might have realised it was that. Right, any more questions from anybody?
Any future plans to add a shopping cart to this?
Well then, now it's funny you should say that. She says, Mike, what do you think? I think it's something we discussed, isn't it? Is Mike muted?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I remember that, but I guess if there's a strong enough interest in it.
We talked about. I think we talked about it a long while ago. It is quite a while ago, and because I mean, Pasta Cart never got off the ground, did it? Because there was too many bugs in the script. Do you remember? But yeah, that you remember with headaches. But yeah, because when we first started up with Easy Member Pro back in 2007, I did have a shopping cart. I used some of the script and got this before I met Mike. Got somebody to develop a shopping cart using some of the code. So it's possible, or it was then. So it could be something we could think about. Definitely.
I've been fooling around with something called Fresh Shop. Very interesting. There was some way to find your application with that. That would be fantastic.
Right, marry it up. Well, that would be better, wouldn't it? To be able to marry it up to something, like you do third party processes and stuff. We did I mean, we're still having a bit of a tussle with one shopping cart, aren't we, Mike? Do you remember? Do you say some of the some of it not wasn't compatible, was it?
I don't
Can you
think
remember? Or have I dreamt that bit?
yeah, I don't
It's a while ago. It's a while ago. Sorry if I'm putting you on the spot. I don't mean to.
I don't remember the
Yeah.
specifics, but yeah, I do remember having some problems trying to integrate one S.
Yeah, we did have we had a few problems, didn't we? Yeah, and I think there was the problem basically was on their side.
I was
So
thinking,
yeah.
like with Amazon, something like that. That would be a great membership site.
Oh God, it would, wouldn't it? We could be the best on the planet.
Yeah, we still have a lot of work to do. You know, every time there come new features. You know, a lot of features request, and yeah, we have to work on them.
Just as a matter of interest, right? And I know it probably sounds a bit braggy, and I suppose it is, but I don't know if people were aware that most of the modern day membership sites that are out there now were actually based on the ideas, you know, and stuff that we had with Easy Member Pro when we first launched it back in 2007. That a lot of the ideas that we had, they were emulated by quite a few of the other scripts.
A lot of copycats.
Oh well, there is, but I mean, hey, do you know what? It's a compliment as well, isn't it? You know. But yeah, I used to think, ooh, that came out of my head, because that's how we worked. You see, because I'm a complete technophobe, and you know, and basically, I used to have my membership splits handmade for me by a guy called Anthony using ASP, and he used to have to build each one. Every single one was different, and he hand built them. And you know, I used to say, right, can I have this on it? Can I have that on it? You know, and can we have this? And I can remember I used to be really amazed back in 2005. I used to be really, really amazed, you know, that you could, you can actually put this up, because some of the scripts out at the time there I could basic HTML, and that's about it, you know, and you had to have a knowledge of HTML and all sorts of different stuff. That's where, you know, we were on the first to start using online editors, for instance, you know, just to make it a lot easier. And that's what we did with EMP. That's how we grew, actually. It was all my ideas, you know, and it was a case of if I can work it, anybody can. So yeah, that's how it started. But yeah, there's a lot of scripts out there that's thought, ooh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Right, any more questions?
Yeah, I have one more question here. Basically, there are many, but
Too close, and we've been at it 3 hours nearly.
yeah.
You did say you took ages, Maris. I can't
Yes.
believe you.
I told you when I do interactive webinar, will be like 2-3 hours or more.
Right, I think we maybe need to think about closing it down at 9 o'clock, but we can always do another one.
Yes, of course. We still
Questions, that's absolutely fine.
We still have to talk about traffic and things like that. But yeah, I think it's. Yeah. Yes. So I think it's better to keep another webinar just for traffic and yeah.
Because I think traffic. I think one that was just devoted just to traffic would be awesome. You know, and all of us. Go on, sorry.
Great idea.
Great idea, super. Right, okay. If anybody sort of like agrees, you know, if you want to put sort of, if we just do one on traffic, and you know, we can sort of like.
Yeah, I have just one question that I think it's easy to answer. Will there be social media buttons, share buttons? Tracy asking me. It's a great features. Great feature, and
That would be awesome.
yeah, we can add. Yeah, of course, it's possible. It's easy to do that.
It's possible right now easily just by editing your template files, but you know, we could also add something into the editor that could allow them on every page. The real question is how many people are going to share a back-end private login? You can't really share member content.
Yeah.
So whatever's on the homepage.
Right.
Yeah. before we end the webinar, again, I don't know how many spots left for the plugins that you can sell them on JVZoo wherever you like. Again, I will give you the link before we end the webinar. So it's digitalfollow.com app box. I'll paste on the chat. Tomorrow I'll set up all the accounts for everyone. So this is only 50 license. I don't know how many left right now because I didn't check it my JVZoo account. Yes, the next webinar. Also, let me give the page for so you can check the plugins. The next webinar, I think next week, so we can talk on traffic. Again, interactive webinar. Okay, guys.
I think it's been great being able to get people on mic. So if anybody wants to come to the traffic one, make sure you've got your mic, your mic on, so we can switch you on. You can ask a question. Yeah, is that all right with you, Marius?
Yes. Yes.
Right, Mike, are you going to be able to join us next week if we do another one?
Possibly. Marius.
Yes.
From what I understand, Easy Member Pro, now the admin area and mobile compatible. The front end and members area as of 3.22 is now mobile compatible. I understand you just created an HTML5 video player, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so are we going to work an Easy Member Neo plugin into that so people can use that video player into their Easy Member Pro site? Right.
I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I think we have people on the call that have no idea about the player that I have. Not sure if we have full integration. We will see. First, we have to integrate and to add more features on the Easy Member Neo and Easy Member Pro. Basically, it's the same product. Then we will see. I don't think it's it's something that we need right now. The integration with Vlido. You're talking about Vlido, right? Mike?
Mike?
Sorry, I was muted. Yeah, as it stands right now,
yeah,
everything's mobile compatible but the videos.
Okay, maybe we'll do something, but first I want to take care of about Easy update and
because it's easy enough to put videos in there, isn't it, at the moment?
Not for mobile devices.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, my software have also you can play videos on mobiles and.
Oh, I see. Of course, yeah, you're right. Mike, sorry, I'm getting off the topic, but I just remembered something. As I forget easily. I need to ask you this now. Somebody was asking earlier on, about the EMP and Neo, yeah. Is the upgrade already in the EMP area?
No, not yet.
No. Are you waiting just to add a few more fixes to it?
I actually just packaged up a couple more small fixes yesterday. So.
That's right. That's what I thought. Right. Also, as well, are they going to need another key for it? I know we've had this conversation, but I just want to clarify. Will they be able to use their own key?
They'll be able to use their own key if they use the updated Easy Member Pro software, which is going to be identical.
Yeah, so they don't have to change the key and things like that.
Right. Okay.
Right. However, I can develop something that would convert the keys for them in the future.
Right. Okay. Right. Okay.
Yes.
That's cool. Right. So right, okay then. So if you know when you obviously when you are able to do that, if you can get the updated version, because I know people are EMP people are obviously very you know sort of they've been waiting patiently you know for us to put it in there. Cool, that's great. Looks like we're on board with that one then. Okay.
Yeah. So next time. Okay. David will like to use Vlido with his member Neo. Yeah, we'll see. First, I want to focus more on adding the features that you guys requested, adding templates, one easy click update, backup system, and things like that, and then we can focus more on integration with Vlido. But you can use Vlido right now with his member Neo if you already have account on Vlido. So you just get the code and paste on the page, and that's it. You can use it.
Oh, right, that's interesting.
You might want to send out a email about that.
Yeah, sounds a good idea.
Yeah, so next time we'll talk about traffic and product creation. We are already 3 hours on the webinar, interactive webinar, and yeah, it will be interesting to talk more next time on this. And I can talk till tomorrow. I don't care, you know. I can if I start to talk about product creation. Oh, God damn it.
Well, thank you everybody. Everybody that stopped with us. That's been. I can't believe, folks. So many people have stopped for so long. You know, on a 3-hour webinar. That's crazy. Do you know what? I think it's the longest I've ever stopped on a webinar as well. So yeah, it's good. Thank you ever so much. And Mike, thanks so much for coming on. You know, at such short notice. We really, really appreciate it, don't we, Marius?
Yeah, we have Kim selling there. Awesome webinar. David Webb, look for the next one. And yeah, they expect for more. As I said, this was not a pitch webinar. Was just about how to use the product. And my idea was to go to how to create a product and things like that. But we talk it a lot.
Right.
And
I think what we'll do. Sorry, I'm interrupting Marius again. I do apologise. But I think what we'll do 1 week, we'll have one. If people want it, we'll have one dedicated. Like like say if we do one on traffic, and then another week we can maybe do one on content. How people can, and I'll look for some sources for some really good content and so on. If people want that. Because you know what, I bet loads of you guys out there have got plenty on just sitting on your desktop and your hard drive.
Yeah, and let me say this. If you guys have a product that you want to launch in the market, please write to my email. Let's talk about this. I'll give again my email address so you can contact me. Okay, and let me know what kind of product do you have. If it's software, it's better. If you know more about, I mean, like if you know about traffic, social media, and things like that, yeah, I'm open to see what we can do together. Okay, guys. Yeah, thanks so much, and I think we have to end right now, and we'll meet next week. We'll talk about traffic and product creation.
Super. As I said, another week we can do. As I said, we do PLR and stuff. Lovely.
Yeah.
Content.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, guys. Thanks ever so much for stopping with us. We've really appreciated. I know it's stalled a bit a couple of times, but overall, I think it's been really productive. All right then. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thanks so much. I will end right now and see ya. Bye bye.